High up in the Mid-Sodor hills, among the lakes and trees, there are some very special friends Thomas likes to see. They are the Margate engines, running on a Margate track. Friends like Rusty, Duncan, Fearless, Freddy, Mighty Mac. They've got their own controller, Mr. Bicycle is his name. And so they're small, they're strong, and really useful just the same. The Sodor's best kept secret, who people hardly know. Because they're small, they take the loads where bigger trains can't go. They work with James and Thomas at the transfer yard. And so they're cute and friendly, these engines work so hard. They are the Margate engines, running on Margate's track. Scarlet, Peter, Sam, Renee, is the handle and the back. They got their own controller, Mr. Bicycle is his name. And so they're small, they're strong, and really useful just the same.
This is the Mid-Sodor Railway, a railway for narrow gauge engines, where it runs from the other side of the island. The railway was expecting 2 new engines to the island. One was named Duke, and the other one was named Steamer. Duke was a brown tender engine. He was named Duke after his grace, and Steamer was his friend. Steamer was a red engine. He did look like Stuart, but he was a much friendlier and hard-working engine. Well, he's basically just like Scarlet, so what's the big difference? The 2 engines arrived at the sheds where the manager was waiting for them. Ah, Duke and Steamer. I'm glad you 2 are here. Now, you 2 are not the only ones who are working here. I'm ordering 2 new engines. But it's gonna be really expensive if time for me to buy 2 new engines. So you 2 will have to do. Now, Duke, you will be pulling the picnic special, and you, Steamer, will be pulling trucks and working on the quarry inclines. Do you 2 get that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll be right on it. Steamer set off to the quarry, and Duke stayed at the station to collect his passengers. Now, Duke is not a very experienced engine as passengers. He's still very young, but he's still determined to be really useful. I mustn't disappoint the passengers. I gotta give this railway a very good run. Duke soon set off. Were very old. He was built a very long time ago, and he was still very young and old. But he was still determined to prove the passengers he was a very special engine. As he step further 1 mile, suddenly he heard a wobble, and it soon stopped. What happened? He asked his driver. You overworked yourself. Now you gotta go to the works and get checked. Steamer soon arrived and pulled Duke back to the station. Poor Duke was upset. He let his passengers down. The manager met him at the sheds later that night. It's not your fault, Duke, but we gotta find a way to repair you, or else you will be out of service for a long time. Oh dear, said Duke. I hope we can find a way to mend me. But he wasn't sure he would be fixed anytime soon. Since Duke was getting repaired, Steamer took the picnic train. He had a splendid run. Then there was trouble. Steamer was going very fast. He didn't notice there was some sheep on the line until it was too late. Steamer applied his brakes as hard as he could. He managed to stop just a few feet from the sheep. Get out, he said. He blew his whistle, and the sheep went off. Just as Steamer was about to leave, he started to make a sound, and then he stopped. What happened? Said Steamer's driver. The driver and the fireman went to check his brakes and found the problem. You damaged your wheels, Steamer. During that braking, it must damage your wheels. Now we can't go anywhere. Oh dear, he said. Now what do we do? Duke was still at the shed, all sad and alone. I wish I was still out. Then he heard a commotion. Steamer has broken down, one of the workmen said. We need you to go and help him. All right, sir, said Duke. Still determined and wobbling, Duke managed to get where Steamer was and pushed the little red engine all the way to the station. The passengers cheered for Duke. The manager was at the station and he heard everything. Well, Duke and Steamer, I heard about you two. And thanks to your heroic action, Duke, we made enough money to repair Steamer's wheels and your damaging rods. Now you two will be back in service. And we also made enough money so I can buy the 2 engines I need. You two are really useful engines. Thank you, sir, said Duke and Steamer. That night, Steamer thanked Duke for his help. I wouldn't have done it without you, Duke. You were a very helpful engines. Thank you, Steamer. You know, I wonder who the 2 new engines will be, said Duke. But that's another story.